bad smell as soon as you turn on the air conditioner? Here's how to fix it. Locate cabin air filter. For most car, filter is in the engine compartment at the passenger side. Sometimes it is located under the dash or behind the glove box. Remove cabin air filter. Clean your heating and ventilation system with aerosol air conditioning cleaner. Cleaning action. Removes unpleasant odors. Avoids allergic reactions. Shake and well before using. Turn ignition on. Or you can start the engine, but only if you can ensure good ventilation or take the car outside. Make sure center vents is open. Set the airflow to flow to the center dashboard vents only. Set to outside air mode. Set the temperature to lowest setting. The air conditioner must be turned off. Set the fan speed to maximum. Close all windows. And close the door. Spray cleaner directly to air inlet. Spray and burst at 3-second intervals. This can is for 2 treatments, so use about half of it. It should take about 3 minutes. Turn off the ignition and leave car for 10 minutes. In that time, replace cabin air filter. And the job is done. No more bad smell.